Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can change the keyboard shortcuts on your Mac device. Now I'm just gonna cover two shortcuts that you might want to change. Now if you're used to using like Control Z to undo, or maybe if you're used to using Control F to search for maybe a word or a string, let's see how we can change that. Now by default, you might find the device is using the Command key in combination with, let's say, Z for undoing typing and Command F to search. Now if you wanted to change that, first let me open now let me go ahead and open Notes and let's see what I'm talking about. Now if I type something here and then to undo it, I'll just press by default Command Z and that undoes it. Command Z will undo that. And let's say you are browsing and you wanted to search for a string or text. Let's open I have Safari open here, and let's say I wanted to search for a word on this. Okay, what I can do is do Command F, and that gives me the search window here, and I can input whatever I want to search here. So say fiction, and it shows me fiction right here. Now let's say I wanted to use Control F instead. Let's see how we can change that. Now to know what keys are being used, shortcut keys that are being used, you can go to Edit, and here you'll see for undoing typing, it's using the Command and then in combination with Z. Okay, and to find, if you hover your mouse over find, you'll see that it's using find dot dot. So this is the shortcut keys, Command F. Let's go ahead and see how we can change those two. Now you'll need to open your settings, and then go to search for keyboard and go to keyboard shortcuts, then go to app shortcuts, expand this all apps, and in here you'll see what we just looked at, these two. You can change them, so you can add, if I add a similar one, it will remove this one. So let's add, and the menu title is gonna say find dot dot dot, 3 dots, and then here is where you press keyboard shortcuts you want to change it to. So this is for find. I'll press Control F. Now I have Control F done, and as you can see, find has changed to Control F. So I'll do the same thing with undo. To undo typing, I'll just click the plus sign here. I'll say undo typing, and I'll do Control Z. Okay, and we have the two I've changed here. You can click done, and then you can go ahead and test it. You can just press Control F. Okay, and if you check edit, find has changed to Control F. Okay, undo has changed to Control Z. If I open Notes, type some random text here and do Control Z, I'm able to undo it. So that's all for this video. That's how you can change keyboard shortcuts on your Mac device. So I hope this information has been helpful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.